So I have here my Greaten AP 300 Pro. I also have a Roland AE20, and this, believe it or not, is my go-to instrument, even though it's about £400 to £500 cheaper than the Roland. So why is this my fun instrument? Because exactly that, it's fun. And why is it fun? It's because of these slider controls. You can slide up and down your scales up there, and you actually have a slider bar there that you can slide up and down. And that just gives you great fun for messing around. So I do it for sort of creating what I call alien chatter. See if I can give you an example. I don't know whether this will work, but we'll try it. I might just try it. That's just playing about, just fun sounds, using your slider controls. Get on there, do what you can. Let's see what you can do. Have a bit of fun. Thank you.